good morning everyone. Here is sample problems in enhancement for ME. So number 1, an equilateral parallelogram is called A. Rhomboid, B. Rhombus, C. Rectangle, or D. Polygon. So the answer is letter B, because all sides are equal, all four sides are equal in length. So next is a series of numbers having the common ratio. A. Geometric progression, B. Arithmetic progression, C. Harmonic progression, or D. No answer. So geometric progression is, it has a common ratio which is 20. So here, you just multiply it by 20. 20 times 2 equals 40, then 40 times 20 is equals to 800, and so on and so forth. So the answer is letter A. So number 3, find the last term of the series of numbers 2, 5, 8 to the 8th term. A. 20, B. 21, C. 22, or D. 23. So using arithmetic progression, A is equals to 2, then D, or the difference, is equals to 3, and N, which is the 8th term, 8. So using the formula, AN equals A plus N times N minus 1 times the difference. So substitute 2 plus 8 minus 1 times 3. And the answer is 23. Number 4. It is a straight line towards which curve approaches but never meets. A. Directrix, B. Major axis, C. Asymptotes, or D. Conjugate axis. So the directrix is this one, then the major axis is this straight line, then the asymptotes is this diagonal line, and the conjugate axis is this one. So the answer is letter C, asymptotes, because this is the curved line and this is a straight line that never meets. So last, number 5. Two triangles are congruent if they satisfy. So congruent means having the same size and shape. So letter A, SAS rule, or side angle side rule. B, A